Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to play Loving Arms on guitar. We'll start by mastering the three-core open chords, G major, C major, and D major. These are fundamental for the entire song. Practice transitioning smoothly between them, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. Pay close attention to your strumming hand, aiming for a consistent, gentle rhythm. This foundation will make learning the rest of the song much easier. Now, let's tackle the strumming pattern for Loving Arms. A simple yet effective pattern is down, down, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each stroke is deliberate and even. Focus on keeping a steady tempo, like a metronome, to give the song its characteristic feel. Remember to give a little extra emphasis to the first downstroke of each measure. This helps define the rhythm beautifully. Moving on to the verse, the chord progression for Loving Arms is quite straightforward. You'll primarily use a repeating sequence of G major, C major, G major, and D major. Each of these chords is usually held for about 2 beats or 1 full measure before transitioning to the next. Practice this sequence slowly, ensuring your chord changes are clean and timely. Listening to the original recording will greatly help you internalize the rhythm and feel. Finally, let's look at the chorus, which often features a C major, G major, D major, and G major progression. Once you're comfortable with the verse and chorus sections individually, begin practicing connecting them. Focus on smooth transitions between the different parts of the song. The best way to solidify your learning is to play along with the original recording. This will help you refine your timing and feel, bringing the entire song together beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.